Changing your bank account on Legislate is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information, including banking details. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings, find the payment information or bank account option. Click on it to view your current bank account details and the option to update them. Step 4. Enter new bank account details. Input your new bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering the new details, click the Save button to update your account. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. Ensure you follow any additional instructions provided. By following these steps, you can successfully change your bank account on Legislate. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.